Yeah, so resolution, I firmly but calmly said that where I want the thing extended to, and that's what he's doing now. Um, that's it. We went and bought some bamboo, and we've extended it. So gonna go to about extended it about 2 times as much as it was. Yeah, it's gonna cost me plywood, and it's gonna cost me bamboo. Where to do it? Where to have a comfort of the flat. And so that's what we're doing now. The guy's now sorting out. Great time for the steel benders. Let me see what they've done. Oh, they've done two. Ooh, and on this side as well. So they've done this bit here. So and they've done this bit here. I think this is gonna drop in there. I don't know when they're gonna drop it, but this is 6 and that was 4. And that's what the porch area looks like after extended here. So that's what it's measuring. So it's baking. Lovely baking hot. So yeah. So that's them doing the extension. Yeah, so remember at the beginning, where we're doing the foundation, I thought I was doing so well by getting the sand from here. So I was just speaking to some people came to do an estimate for electricals, and what he's saying is your land has to be the same as the road level. The land has to be the same as the road level or higher to stop water from sitting in your bit. So remember, I took land from here and I did my filling. That's the level of the road, but see it's going downhill, but that's a bit higher, so they kind of took majority over here. So it's a learning curve. I don't even know if they're right or wrong, but it would make sense because that's the level of the road initially, and that's so it's gone the way down. And he's saying I might have to fill it. And I said, you must be crazy. How much filling am I going to put here to make the land here? But yeah, it makes sense. I like the slope a bit. I think it will go out, but I don't know how much sand I'll have to put. So basically, the amount of sand that I saved, putting in there, has almost evaporated if I'm to kind of fill in this place. But yeah, I thought I'll have to cut down on the sides to kind of make it level. But they were saying, no. You need to you have to watch the road level. Something makes sense about that to me. So I cannot fill this place in, but I can probably do this little bit in the middle. I don't even know. I have to seek a second opinion on it. Maybe I should, I'll get another opinion on the landscape or something like that. But it looks like the water runs through to the other side, which is alright, I suppose, for now. But, yeah, I wanted to grow something here as well, so I'll see. And with the growing the thing, I've also killed with I mentioned earlier, I've killed the richness of it. So, I kind of half thought about it. Everyone's got their own thing, man. I think the true way of learning is try and error, to be honest with you. That's it. That's how you learn. You learn through trying stuff. I could sit there and not try something, but if I try something, half the mistakes I'm going through, someone else doesn't need to. And then when I see someone else's YouTube also, then I won't do that mistake. So that's life. That's life, yeah. So let me get some water. It's crazy. In my flask. And then all this land going to waste, we can grow something. Hot. Yeah, but the land is sloping downwards, man. Oh, I can see a bit of cloud in the background. Even it's hot, I can see it coming. I'm glad I came today, boy. I've learned a lot. I have gone through a lot. See clouds coming from there. It's gonna rain. Oh, Ghana is a master for when you finish something. So my neighbor just came across a second ago, and he's telling me that in a way I should have done the whole thing in one go because prices might go up. Remember, I posted a poll to say which one I should go with. And we've been in contact all this time. We could have just mentioned something. So now that I've decided to do half. Now he says, oh, and then in the middle bit as well. I won't talk about that no more. I wanted to save the middle bit, but I'll just leave it. I wanted to help like some young person kind of take the little store, but I'll leave it for now. I'll do it another time, another project. So yeah, they're taking a break now. I think they're going to get some lunch. So when they come back, then they'll start finishing. I think they'll finish the cross beams today. The middle ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like if they're doing cross today, it looks like they're coming down. So it looks like they can kind of do the middle one today as well. That will probably take another day. That's what, 2 days. And then from there, so we're looking around 3 or 4 days. And then we should be done. 3 or 4 days, but yeah.